Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Hi everybody. Just wanted to say hi with my new drone. I'm out here at Lake of the Ozarks. What a beautiful place to be. Here it is January the 3rd, and we're just going to go for a quick little walk. So follow me. Wanted to make sure you wasn't going to hit that little power line. It's kind of an uphill driveway. So what do you think of this? Pretty cool, isn't it? I think so. For being out here at the lake, this is awesome. And I get to look at this all the time. Let's head that way. What do you think of the rock wall? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. Some kind of a notification on here. Guess I need to look at it. It says no satellite position. Fly with caution. Okay, that's cool. Let's go. You can kind of see in the back of that cove now back there. See them condos? Is the camera good enough to pick that up? It's pretty cool. Let's go out here and look at the main channel. It says high and far. That's far and that's high. I really don't know. Let's see what happens when I stop. Oh, okay. Are you getting scared? Seem to be doing all right. Let's keep going. It's a little breezy around this corner. We're going to find out if you can handle that. Okay, what you're seeing out here is all the main channel, the Osage River arm. I'm going to kind of turn around here so you can kind of see it. See it all back here behind me? That's really cool, isn't it? Alright, let's go back down. From this location, the dam is right out there. Right down that way. If anything, I guess I'd get a good walk in, won't I? I guess my next step will be to figure out how to Bluetooth my mini mics to my phone, or mini mic to my phone. That way I can put this telephone in my pocket and not be worried with carrying a phone. It's pretty cool. Like the back of my jacket. It says Nicer Racing Adventure Palooza 2025. As most of you know, I enjoy riding motorcycles, and my bike that I have is a 2021 Harley Davidson Pan America. Look how that camera just picks all that up. Isn't that neat? Okay. I love here at the lake. It's really nice. So we'll go back down the driveway, and we will try to convince this thing to land in my hand. What's your all's thoughts? For my first time flying, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. So let's go. What do you think, Frank? Am I doing okay? I know you're watching, Frank. Alright, let's see if it follows me down this driveway, and let's see if it misses this power line. I gotta admit, this is pretty cool. I never thought I'd ever be doing anything like this. It does a pretty good job of following me, too. Okay, we're going to get it to stop.